Hello there and welcome to this video on how to propagate Zygocactus, Christmas cactus, in water. As you can see, these stems already have roots. I'm going to show you how and when to do this, and I'm also going to talk about how long it takes. There are two ways to propagate Zygocactus cuttings. In the previous video, I showed you how to propagate directly in soil. Those who watched that video would remember these two pots, and I did these about 8 months ago, and that's how big they look now. And this pot was done about 4 or 5 months ago, and they were planted as a water propagation. Now, back in October last year, which was our mid-spring, I did a batch of over 20 stems. I've potted most of them. The remainder has been sitting in water for all this time, and I'll just show you. Like, these are no good, but there's still roots there, so I can just cut this bit off and still plant this. So when is a good time to propagate Zygocactus in water? In my experience, the best time is late spring and early summer. You'll be able to do them in other times. It just would take a lot longer if it's a cooler season. And in very hot summer, they may not survive the hot weather. Next, I'm going to talk about how to propagate in water. It is actually really simple. What you do is get a container and put about ½ an inch of water at the bottom and just cut your Zygocactus. My preference is to cut a branch or stem that has 2 on the stem already, so they look nicer. And then just put them in water. I changed water every other day. It took about 5 or 6 weeks before roots developed. During that time, the stem looked only half alive. That's okay, don't let that alarm you. But once roots develop, the stem will begin to look and feel alive and supple. Okay, today I'm just going to also show you how to plant this. Now I have a little cute container, small container this time. By the way, I've been asked what kind of potting mix I use. Now I know there's special potting mix for succulents, but as for me, I just use whatever potting mix I have at home. I've propagated probably about 15 pots and they've all survived. I've used the lowest grade of potting mix and vegetable grade organic potting mix, and this is just vegetable potting mix. So what you do is put 3 in the center, near the center, okay? This way they look better. And I'll get another one. There you go. And I'm going to take this outside and water it thoroughly because there are already roots. So what you do is what you would do with any other repotting of plants. So I'll probably water it every other day in the first week, and then just make sure the potting mix is moist in the coming weeks, and then water as you would water Christmas cactus. Just to show you those 2 pots, this one in particular, the shape currently is not the best. I think it's because I've planted those 3 a bit apart. It's better to plant them close towards the center. Okay, do you have any questions? Let me know how you go with yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.